अस्सलाम वालेकुम आदाब। आज जो मैं आपको अपनी इंग्लिश की पोइम सुनाने जा रहा हूँ उसका टाइटल है एवरीथिंग टू नथिंग। इसमें एक इंसान की विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम जो इम्पोर्टेंस रह जाती है उसे बयान किया गया है। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सबको पसंद आएगी। आई वॉज अ प्रायोरिटी देन, आई बिकेम लाइबिलिटी ऑनवर्ड्स, then came the formality phase, and now I'm nothing. That is how my trajectory unfolds. That is how my journey concludes. That is how I've been pulled down. That is how I've been deluged. From I can't live without you to I need a break. From I don't have a time to damn for God's sake. Love so deep that can't be explained. Feeling so right that are hard to be named. All the imaginations go upside down. The day I've been broken and been drowned. What left with me is the timeless pain, tears in eyes and no gain. I'm just waiting to close my eyes, to finally rest in peace in the mounting tides. I was a prodigy then, I became liability onwards. Then came the formality phase, and now I'm nothing.